Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele and it's on the song At My Worst by Pink Sweat. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to break this down into the verse, pre-chorus, and the chorus. So the verse and the chorus have the same chords, and the pre-chorus has similar chords that we're going to be using. So let's start off with the verse and the chorus. Those chords are going to be C, A minor, D minor, and G7. Okay, so C, A minor, D minor, G7. Now the strum pattern for that, the rhythm goes basically hitting the second string. We're going to use this as our bass line. So you can strum up or you can strum down for it. So it's going to go 1 and then 2. So okay, so that's the pattern, and we're just going to do it for all the chords. So So that is the verse and the chorus. Now for the pre-chorus, it's just going to be one strum, and the chords we're going to use there is going to be a C major 7. So instead of C, I'm going to go C major 7, then A minor, and then we're going to use an F instead of D minor, and instead of G7, it's going to be G. Okay, so one strum, then F, then G, then it goes into the chorus. So that is how you play the song. This video is sponsored by DistroKid. Now, DistroKid is a service that I use to get my music heard on Spotify and all the other streaming services. One of the cool features here they have for social media is called mini videos. We're going to click on goodies here. We're going to go to promote yourself tab and then go down here to mini videos. So we're going to click on mini videos, and here is where you can choose some templates that they have. So I'm going to choose this one, and then we're going to pick one of my songs, Daydream. Let's just leave it like that, and we're going to generate a mini video. So as you can see, I've done a few of them, and it'll come out just like this, where you can have it on your Instagram stories. So check them out down below. I have the link right here on the screen. But thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.